Day 291 of the Book of Mysteries, devotional, the day of time and timelessness. This time, it was I who led the teacher into the Chamber of Scrolls, or rather, he allowed me to go in first. I had asked him to take me there to the scroll of Isaiah. I had a feeling about something and a question. Together we unrolled the scroll of Isaiah 53. Please translate it, I said, literally. So we began reading Isaiah's prophecy of the Messiah who dies for the sins of others. For he shall grow up before him as a tender plant, he said. In Hebrew, it is written in the future tense. It is, he said. Read more. He is despised and rejected of men, a man of sorrows and acquainted with grief. What tense, I asked. The present tense, he said, and then continued reading. Surely he has borne our griefs and carried our sorrows. The tense? It's in past tense. How can that be, I asked. It was a prophecy written before the events took place. How could it be written in past tense as if it had already happened before it happened? And how can the same event be written in all three tenses, the past, the present, and the future? Because, said the teacher, it is the event of God's redemption, an event in which are contained the past, present, and future, every event of every sin. In the past tense, uncovering all sins of the past. In the present tense, uncovering every present sin. In the future tense, uncovering all sin that is not yet, but which will be. It is the event of tenses and times, of past and present and future, that no sin, no event is beyond its power to touch and redeem. For the love of God is not bound by time. It is time that is bound by love of God. What happened 2,000 years ago on the execution stake in the land of Judea is a mystery. The day of time, the timelessness and yet containing all time and times in the love of God. The mission, your future is already contained by your salvation, covered by it. Ponder this fact, by it be at peace and live in confidence. Isaiah 1:18, 53, 1 John 1:7, and Revelation 13:8.